Hello, and welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized and loving memory keepsakes. Today we're going to take a look at the obituary template. An obituary template is referred as one of two things. It can be a template document that contains a helpful guide to help you write a loved one's life biography or obituary. If you're unsure of what things to include or how to write an obituary, you can download a template that guides you through the process. An obituary template can also be a ready-made file to help you create a printed memorial quickly and easily. The life biography or obituary is often included within the program, so some may refer to it as an obituary template. We offer you both options. You can download our free obituary template that helps guide you to write a life biography, or you can purchase one of our large selections of beautiful ready-made obituary program templates from our online superstore. The Funeral Program site is the industry leader in DIY templates and personalized keepsakes. Visit our online store today and see the many choices we offer, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.